What's good, everybody, and welcome back to another video. So guys, we went out testing and we managed to hit a 2-second pass. I wasn't really too surprised, but I had to go over some wiring with the car and stuff like that, and I feel like that helped to kill some of the cogging that was causing some of the loss of power. And I'm really proud of the performance. You can drop a like if you're liking the content, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm just going to be plugging in these clips, guys. There's still some more improvement to be made with this build. It's really stock TTO2. So again, it's just an upgraded drive shaft with bearings, and the setup is quite simple. So again, drop a like and take in these clips, guys. So guys, we now have a new PB, and also welcome in the car to the 2-second bracket of running a time of 2.98 seconds at 48 miles per hour. Honestly, guys, I had a lot of work to do on this car before I came out here to test, and at one point I didn't even plan to put it back together because the AC looked like it went. So I did some work to it, and I came out and test it, and here are the results. 48 miles per hour at 2.9 seconds. One of the things that I did earlier was some rewiring, because the wiring work was a little, some people say, like janky. So I went through that, and everything seems to be more smooth now, no cogging and stuff like that, and the car seems to have gotten better power delivery. So yeah guys, now a 2-second all-wheel drive setup built and tuned by 876 RC drag cells, guys. Stay tuned.